your girl Barbie TV, and I am back with another video.
First off, welcome.
Today, I'm going to try to attempt to do flexi rides. Yes, I said attempt because I never did them before. Back when my hair was like longer before I cut it, like I used to do bantanas and stuff, but I never did like perm rides or flexi rides. So I'm going to try to attempt to do it. I mean, I watched a couple videos and stuff. Just see how the doing, and if it come out cute, I'm gonna post this video. If it don't, then y'all know what happened. But yeah, that's pretty much it, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so dolls, I'm not really good at explaining when it comes to things like this, so hopefully you guys are good at visual learning. But right now I'm just pretending like I'm doing a middle part. I'm not specifically doing a part because I want it to be messy, and that's pretty much it. Just pretending as if I was to do a part so that I could separate it on both sides into two pigtails. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this step. Okay, so now I am sectioning off the back. I'm starting off in the back of my head, and I just grab a little piece and I spray it with my spray bottle and then go in with my defining cream. You can use whatever cream that's best for you, and then I just finger it and use my diamond brush to brush it through. And then now I just twist the ends, and then I flip the flexi rod like back and forth, if that makes sense. I hope you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. And then I just go in and tighten it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the rest of the look. Also, I wanted to say, my hair is not washed. I just went in the shower and just wet my hair. I see a lot of people tend to do their flexi rides on dry hair, and then I see other people do it on wet hair. But I wanted to do mine on wet hair so it could be more defined, and then, yeah. finally finished. This is so many because I wanted mine to look like smaller, but yes, this is the finished Flexi rod look. I'm gonna come back to you guys when it, you know, I fix it up and make it cute or whatever, if it turned out cute. Yeah. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. I had ended up taking it down off camera because I wanted to make sure that it looked cute before I showcase, because it's my first time doing it and I really love them. It took me a minute to actually, you know, get the feel of it because my hair is still short and stuff, but I really love it. I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you know when I am posting. Remember, beauty is with confidence. Dog game, we out this.